In the crushing darkness of the ocean floor, hydrothermal vents erupt like eternal flames. These black smokers spew superheated mineral-rich fluids at 400 degrees Celsius, creating towers of metal sulfides. Yet against all odds, life thrives here, challenging our understanding of survival. This is the story of Earth's most alien ecosystem. Hydrothermal vents are born from Earth's fiery heart. Seawater seeps into cracks along tectonic ridges, superheating as it contacts magma. The scorching fluid dissolves minerals before erupting upward, building chimneys that grow like underwater skyscrapers. These geological marvels become oases in the abyss. In 1977, the submersible Alvin plunged to the Galapagos Rift and found life where none should exist. Giant tube worms, blind shrimp, and strange crabs thrived in the vent's toxic embrace. This discovery rewrote biology's rules, proving ecosystems could flourish without sunlight. Here, bacteria perform alchemy, converting toxic hydrogen sulfide into energy through chemosynthesis. Unlike photosynthesis, these microbes thrive in darkness, forming the base of a food chain that supports entire communities. This process may mirror how early life began on our planet. Riftia tube worms grow taller than humans, their red plumes absorbing chemicals for symbiotic bacteria inside. Vent crabs farm microbes on their hairy claws, while eyeless shrimp navigate using thermal sensors. These species evolved exclusively for vent life, nowhere else on Earth. Vent life employs extraordinary adaptations. Heat-resistant proteins shield cells from scalding fluids, specialized enzymes neutralize toxins, and pressure-resistant membranes prevent collapse. Some species even position themselves at precise temperature gradients, a dance between life and death. Vents form interconnected networks along 70,000 kilometers of ocean ridges. Larvae travel between vents on deep currents, creating island chains of life. When one vent dies, its inhabitants colonize others, a resilient web spanning our planet's darkest reaches. Hydrothermal vents may hold clues to Earth's first life forms. Their extreme conditions mirror early Earth's environment, suggesting life could have begun in such fiery crucibles. This reshapes our search for life elsewhere in the cosmos, where similar vents might exist. Europa's icy ocean and Enceladus plumes suggest hydrothermal activity exists elsewhere in our solar system. If life thrives at Earth's vents, could it survive in alien oceans? These discoveries make vents prime targets in humanity's search for extraterrestrial life. Most vents remain unexplored, yet deep-sea mining threatens their fragile ecosystems. These eternal flames hold secrets about life's origins, adaptability, and cosmic potential. Protecting them isn't just conservation, it's safeguarding knowledge that could redefine our place in the universe.